Hello YouTubers, welcome back. I am doing a real short video on my progress, and so you can see I've got the new coils in. Those are Cosmo racing coils out of Canada. Supposed to be 30 to 50% more spark energy over stock. And I've got the new fuel rail in with all the new injectors. These are the M3 injectors from the M3 car. They are the blue tip on the top. And so, yeah, getting there. Oh, also got the Valvetronic motor in. That's been replaced. So, we're getting ready to hook all the wiring back up. And, yeah. And then, on this side, get the intake back on. Get the fuel connected right there. Yeah, starter's ready to go, alternator's ready to go. Yep, we're getting there. So, pretty soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.